Now let's begin with the page number 4, right? Do you know India produces approximately 1 crore 60 lakh tons of mangoes every year? 1 crore 60 lakh tons of mangoes every year. 1 crore 60 lakh tons of mangoes every year. Now, what is the meaning of ton? Now, 1 ton means 1000 kg. 1 ton means 1000 kg. Now, just imagine the number of mangoes we are producing. Just this, you multiply this value with the 1000. So, you will be getting the analysis of that how much production we are doing of the mangoes. India is the biggest producer of the mangoes in the world. Uttar Pradesh does the largest production of mangoes in India. Uttar Pradesh is doing the largest production of the mangoes in India. What do you know about the biggest mango? The biggest mango till now, anyone have searched it out, right? The biggest mango, right? I have tried to draw over here. The biggest mango weighing 3.435 kg. 3.435 kg. The biggest mango, I think that we didn't have seen till now this much of bigger mango till now, right? This much of the bigger mango, right? It was being displayed in Philippines, right? Country Philippines, where it was being displayed. This game was very first time. This much of big mango we didn't have seen till now, right? Now, description about that mango is given. That is, it was 30.48 centimeter. That means 12 inches in length. Length means right? जिसको हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं लंबाई, right? So in length it was 12 inches. Then 49.53. That means 19.5 inches in circumference. Okay, circumference means the outer side, right? You can say the boundary of that particular fruit. That means here the mango is there. So the circumference is 49.53 centimeter, and in the inches you can write as 19.5 inches. And the breadth जिसको हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं चौड़ाई, right? The breadth is 17.78 centimeter, which are written over here as 7 inches, right? Now we'll be taking the page number 5. When you go to the market to buy the mangoes, don't get confused to see how many different types of mangoes, right? Search yourself in the market for the following types of mangoes. Buy whichever the type of mango you like and enjoy it. Now draw these mangoes in the card paper of different shapes. Now you can see by book, right? Now various shapes have been drawn. Then here you can see triangle, oval, square, right? You can see various kinds of shapes over here. Inside that shape, the types of mangoes are being given, right? We are knowing about few, but let me study today the different types of mangoes that are being coming in the market. The first one is Hafus, right? Which in English we call it as Alfonso mangoes, right? The second one is the Kesar. In my previous lecture also I told you that Talala, the district, is famous for the production of Kesar mangoes. Totapuri, right? It looks like if you can see the end part, you can seems like a beak, right? So this is the shape of a Totapuri mango. Next one is Langro mango. Generally it is coming after the completion of the rainy seasons, right? Then this one is Dasheri, right? This one is Badam. Badam shape generally have little bit reddish or orange color on its covering, right? Okay students, now we will be moving to page number 6, right? Close your eyes and imagine that you are standing under the mango tree. Just close your eyes and imagine that you are standing under the mango tree, right? Just close your eyes, right? I have drawn a little bit of the mango tree over here, right? But if, whatever you need to visualize, first you need to close your eyes. So just close your eyes and just think what you can feel that if you are standing under the mango tree, right? What I can feel by closing my eyes is that I can just think that the mangoes are there everywhere. The smell of the fragrance of the mangoes is coming, right? The birds are roaming around here and there. Then the rustling sound of that leaves are coming, right? This all you can imagine, right? The cool breeze is moving, right? So this all we can imagine by standing under the mango tree, right? Now just see this picture over here, right? Some description is given. Imagine that you come to a mango orchard. Orchard, I already told in the previous lecture, means the place where the mangoes are being grown. With a farmer, right? The leaves of the trees are making a rustling sound. Rustling sound means the sound which has been created by the leaves. A cooing sound. Cooing means the sound which is being produced by the cuckoo. Heard from up the mango tree, right? This is a cuckoo bird, right? The mangoes on the tree are swinging on the branch because of the breeze, right? Now the mangoes are swinging. The swinging means more like doing this kind of movement, right? Why it is happening? Because of the cool breeze that is blowing. Cool breeze matlab hawa, right? The air which is been moving, because of that the mangoes are being actually been moving. The farmer starts his work in dark in early morning. Some farmers go to their field in the bullock carts, right? Some farmers are going to their fields in the bullock cart, right? Bullock cart you all must have seen. If you have not seen, so you can see the picture over here. So this is your bullock cart, right? The farmer growing the mangoes face a difficult time when the strong wind is blowing. Yes, but obvious when too much of strong wind is blowing, right? बहुत हवा चलती है, then it becomes very difficult for the farmers to grow the mango trees. We cannot go far in a bullock cart. Yes, because after all it is being run by the animals only, right? Now they also have the capacity as we have, right? They are not the machines, right? So they also need some relaxation as we want, right? So we cannot go far in the bullock cart. A bullock cart can cover the distance of only 4 kilometers in an hour. That means 1 घंटे में वो bullock cart है वो 4 kilometers travel कर सकते हैं. 1 hour 4 kilometers, right? So I can say in 2 hours the bullock cart can cover 8 kilometers. Now we have been given one question, that is how much time will it take to cover the distance of 10 kilometers? How much time will it take to cover the distance of 10 kilometers? यानी 10 kilometers हमें चलना है, right? With the help of bullock cart, how much time will be required? As I say, 1 hour 4 kilometers. So 2 hours means 8 kilometers. So still we are in a lack of 2 more kilometers, right? Now 1 hour 4. So half hour means आधा घंटा, यानी 1 hour का आधा कर दो. So it will be 2 kilometers, right? So just see on the board, that is 4 kilometers plus 4 kilometers. That means this much distance is being covered in 2 hours. This much distance is covered in the 2 hours, right? Now still 2 kilometers is being left. Now in 1 hour we are traveling 4 kilometers. So in half hour we are covering 2 kilometers. So 2 hours and we require half hour, that means 30 minutes. So total 10 kilometers the bullock cart can travel in 2 hours and 30 minutes. Okay students, now we will understand the page number 7, right? We can feel the wind and also the sun moving with us during the journey, right? If we forget the direction, we can figure it out with the help of the position of the sun, right? Okay, generally whenever we are traveling by a train or by a car, right, we always feel that the sun is moving with us, but actually there is nothing like that, right? It is just a phenomenon which we are feeling, but there is nothing like that. Now look at the sun and find out the direction of its rising. Stand wherever you are. Which interesting thing right? Now wherever I am standing, right, and someone else is standing, so the positions of our maybe east, but the things will be different, right? I may be having something, another person may be having something else with them. Write names of any two things situated in your west direction. Okay, if I am standing, so my west direction will have something else. So someone else will be having some other things, right? So this question is little bit a customized question, right? Based on the person to person, the answer will be changing. Wow, so many mangoes, right? See the mangoes. We all love these mangoes and want to eat these mangoes, right? Farmers select a graft. Graft, the meaning of the word graft. Graft is nothing, a shoot or the twig. A shoot, that means a stem. Inserted मतलब उसको fit किया जाता है into a slit on the trunk or the stem of another plant. Let me explain this word graft to you, right? For example, I am already having one mango tree with me, right? And I wanted to grow more mango trees. What I can do? I can just pick that one stem of the particular mango tree which is growing, and that I can insert it, right? And that I can use it for the growing of the mango trees, right? What are the benefits of it? That is, first benefit is that generally if you just use the seed, so seed use lot of time to come out, right? So we want to kill that time. So in order to kill that time, now the farmers are going with the grafting method. Secondly, nowadays you know very well that the population is increasing. So to meet their requirements, this kind of grafting technique is very much useful, right? With the help of grafting, we can grow the mango tree within 3 to 4 years, right? And we can get the fruits also very nicely and with a better quality. So farmers select a graft from a mango tree which gives more mangoes and sow the plant and grow it in their own farms. A farmer has to wait for many years to grow a mango tree and get the mangoes on tree. As I already told, the benefits of growing the trees with the grafting process. Now observe the different types of vehicles, right? The mangoes which are ready for sale. Say the ready for sale means that the mangoes are already been good with the quality and they are needed to just put it in the market, right? Everything has been done, are carried to the APMC. APMC means Agriculture Production Market Committee. Every city is having their own APMC where the farmers are bringing their whatever they have grown into their farms and they are selling to the persons over there, right? And in return that they get the huge amount of money, right? APMC is nothing but a marketing yard, or you can say a bazaar, where the farmers are bringing their grown foods and they are selling to get their earnings, and due to which they can have their own livelihood. To supply the mangoes to the market yard as early as possible, big or small vehicles are being used. Big or small, right? छोटा या बड़ा, जैसे भी जो भी आपको requirement हो उस तरह के आप you are using that particular transportation means. A tractor moves at the speed of 20 km per hour. A tractor, right? You can see the picture of this tractor, right? If you have not seen till now, so this is the picture of the tractor. So the tractor is moving at the speed of 20 km per hour. That means in 1 hour the tractor can move at a speed of 20 km. That means 20 km वो चला सकते हैं. If you remember, I told you about the bullock cart. The bullock cart can travel 4 km in 1 hour. Now here comes the tractor, which the tractor is covering 20 km in 1 hour. Now based on that, there are two questions which are given to us. That is, how much distance can a tractor cover at the same speed in 3 hours? Right? Same speed is there. Now we want to calculate for the 3 hours. Right? Now 1 hour 20 km. So 3 hours means 20 multiplied by 3, it is 60 km. It is 60 km. Next question is, how much time it will take to cover the distance of kilometer. How much time it will take to cover the distance of 85 kilometer? Now just first we'll get a roughly idea, then we will solve it with the calculations. 1 hour 20 kilometers, 2 hours 40, 3 hours 60, 4 hours 80. Is it clear? Now let's understand the calculations. 85 divided by 20, so 20 fours are 80. 85 minus 80, that means 5. That means 4 hours, within 4 hours, 80 kilometer distance is being covered up. In 4 hours, 80 kilometer distance is being covered up. Now the remaining 5 kilometer question is there. Therefore, 5 kilometer, how much time will be required? So for 5 kilometer left, which we will be traveling in 15 minutes. How that 15 minutes are okay, right? 1 hour is there, right? If we divide 1 hour in the slot of 15 minutes, if we divide 1 hour into slot of 15 minutes, so 15 minutes, 15 and 15, so within 15 minutes only 5 kilometer distance is being covered. पूरे 1 घंटे में 20 होता है, तो 20 को ऐसे हम 4 पार्ट्स करेंगे, तो हर पार्ट यानी 15 मिनट्स में 5 किलोमीटर डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल होगा. That's why I have written 15 minutes. Right, so total 4 hours and 15 minutes time is required. Right, now we'll be seeing the remaining topics in our next lecture.
आभार.